Hey there, Year 12s. Just looking at this question, I actually made a mistake on my previous video recording. 7e, they actually were asking me how much extra on top of what I initially would have paid that I now need to repay for the loan over 20 years. So in my last question, I knew that I had $418.65. That's how much I need to repay. But how much overall? Well, let's figure it out. So if I didn't, so part E, if there weren't any changes and assuming that we kept it at 10.5% per annum for 20 years, right? And you borrowed $35,000, I think that was about it. And then your repayments was 300 and something. I can't remember, $349. Then how much would you have paid overall, right? We calculated over here, remember, that it was, where do I do it? Over here. That's how much you would have paid, assuming that you paid it for full 20 years. You would have done $349.43 multiplied to 240 payments. So that's over 20 years. Okay, and that worked out to be $83,863.20, right? That's how much you would have paid if there was never an interest change. But we know that there was an interest change. In the first 4 years, okay, so first 4 years, and then you worked out the next 16 years, right? The next 16 years, you know you're paying at $418.65 every month. And how many months are there in 16 years? Well, that would have been multiplied to 16 times 12, right? That's the number of months that you would have done in 16. So this would give you the total for 16. Whilst in 4 years, that one you weren't paying $418 every month. You were actually paying $49.43 for 4 years. But that 4 years is compounded monthly, so it's 4 times the 12. So this will tell you the amount for the 4 years that you paid, and then this over here would be the amount that you would pay over the next 16 years with the new interest rate. Okay, so remember, this was with the new interest of 13.75%, whilst this was the 5%. Okay, so if I were to calculate it here, let's do it. We had 349.43 times 4 times 12. That's how much I paid for the first 4 years under the 10.5%. So $16,772.64. And then in my new interest, where they increased it, it was now $418.65 multiplied to 16 times the 12 number of payments which is monthly payments. And that gives me a total of $80,380.8. Okay, so together after 20 years, how much did you pay in total? It would have been $16,772 plus the $80,000 extra. So this now gives you a total of $97,153.44. So $97,153.44. Now, if you round this to the nearest 100, then that would be $97,200. Okay, so that's how much you would have paid extra. But in your calculations, you should just use the true value and you minus from here. So you want to know how much you would have to pay extra since they changed the interest rate. Okay, so since the time they changed the interest rate, how much more have you paid? Well, $97,153 take away $83,000. Did I have the... I'm pretty sure I've calculated. It's up here. There you go, $83,863.2. That means I paid an extra $13,290.24. That's how much I paid extra. But rounding to the nearest 100 would make it $13,300 is how much I paid extra. Okay? Since they increased the rate. That's what E was actually asking for. Okay, so apologies for that confusion, but there you go. That's how you do it.